Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to activate your new Visa Vanilla gift card. If you've recently received or purchased a Vanilla gift card, the activation process is straightforward. Whether it's a gift or you're looking for a more anonymous payment option, you'll need to activate the card before you can use it. To begin, take your Vanilla gift card and locate the card number, expiration date and CVV code. These details are printed on the card. Make sure to keep this information secure. Next, open your web browser and go to the website vanillagift.com. This is the official site for activating and managing your Vanilla gift card. Once you're on the website, look for the option that says Activate your card and click on it. It's usually located on the home page and the link is clearly labelled. On the activation page, you'll be asked to enter the card details. Start by typing in the full card number, followed by the expiration date and the CVV code, which is the 3-digit number on the back of the card. Once you've entered this information, click the Continue button. The website will then display the balance on your card. You'll also see a list of any recent transactions. For a brand new card, the transaction list will likely show the retailer where you purchased it. This feature is helpful for keeping track of your spending. While you're on the website, you have the option to set or manage a PIN for your card. Click on the Manage PIN section and you'll be prompted to enter a new PIN. This step is useful if you plan to use your Vanilla gift card for transactions that require a PIN, such as certain in-store purchases. Once you've set your PIN, you'll see a confirmation message that it has been successfully updated. If your card is ever lost or stolen, you can contact Vanilla Gift Card Customer Care for assistance. The customer care phone number is printed on the back of the card, so keep it handy for emergencies. They can help you block the card and issue a replacement if needed. Finally, when you're ready to use your Vanilla gift card for online shopping, treat it like any regular debit or credit card. Enter the card details at checkout and when asked for a billing address, use your home address or the address you typically associate with your debit or credit card. That's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.